Hi there, I'm Robert. I'd like to introduce you to this lovely Skoda Fabia. It's a 2013 on the 62 plate. It's got nice alloy wheels and the wheels are fitted with Bridgestone tyres which all have good thread. As you can see, the bodywork is in great condition. When we get round to the rear of the car, it's got the added benefit of rear parking sensors, a nice cavernous boot, and you'll also be delighted to know it's got a full-size spare wheel, which is quite rare these days. In the rear, we've got the benefit of 40/60 split folding rear seat. If you lift the base up and take the head restraints off, it will go flat. When we get to the front, we've got boot release, which is also on the keys, front electric windows, front electric mirrors, and heated. You've also got the benefit of height adjustable seat, height adjustable steering column. As you can see, nice clear dials. The car's only covered 45,000 miles, and what you can also see here in the center console, air conditioning, nice clear screen, CD MP3 player. We've also got the benefit of cup holders front and rear, 5-speed gearbox, glove compartment, twin airbags, and the grey velour upholstery. So don't forget, give me a call, come and have a test drive. Let's value your car, and I'll make sure we give you the best deal we possibly can.